Welcome back to Spy Garage.
Appropriately named the Smart Palace on Wheels, the 2026 Winnebago Motorcoach is a major advancement in luxury recreational vehicles that combines the brand's legendary history with state-of-the-art technology and elegant design. With an unmatched degree of comfort, connectivity, and intelligent living for the discriminating traveler, this version is set to completely transform the motorhome experience. The outside of the 2026 Motorcoach is expected to display a vast yet elegantly modern style. It will probably have sleeker designs, more integrated aerodynamic features, and a more sophisticated appearance while maintaining the dominating presence that characterizes a Class A motorhome. A smooth external profile would be maintained while offering wide vistas through large, flush-mounted windows. Its premium status would be emphasized by superior external treatments, possibly featuring multi-stage paint processes and delicate chrome accents. Especially in the evening, sophisticated LED lighting solutions would not only guarantee the best visibility, but also add to a unique and contemporary signature. Its finely designed interior is where the Smart Palace on Wheels concept really shines. Upon entering, residents would be welcomed by a space that skillfully combines luxury with user-friendly practicality. It is anticipated that the living areas will have high-end components such as magnificent solid surface counters, handcrafted hardwood floors, and plush leather furnishings. Without sacrificing an open and breezy sense, clever space planning would make the most of every square meter and create separate areas for eating, sleeping, and relaxing. At the push of a button, slide-out portions would expand the living space, turning the bus into a genuinely spacious mansion. The Smart Palace label depends heavily on technological integration. A complete smart home system would be included with the 2026 Motorcoach, enabling residents to manage the window coverings, entertainment, climate, lighting, and security systems using voice commands or centralized touchscreens. High-speed internet access, possibly through integrated satellite systems like Starlink, would provide a dependable connection for work or play, no matter where you are. Modern entertainment systems with big flat-screen screens, high-end sound, and built-in streaming would turn the coach into a portable movie theater or performance space. Furthermore, sophisticated energy management systems, potentially incorporating advanced solar power and robust lithium-ion battery banks, would provide extended off-grid capabilities, enhancing the sense of freedom and self-sufficiency. The level of comfort features would be greatly increased. A full-size, spa-like bathroom, plush bedding, and ergonomically built seats would guarantee a genuinely rejuvenating experience while traveling. The kitchen would be a chef's delight, complete with high-end residential appliances, ample counter space, and intelligent storage solutions. Underneath its luxurious facade, the 2026 Winnebago Motorcoach would ride on a robust and refined chassis, engineered to provide a smooth, stable, and quiet journey. Advanced driver assistance systems, ADAS, tailored for a large vehicle, would enhance safety and ease of driving, including features like adaptive cruise control, lane-keeping assistance, and sophisticated surround view cameras for effortless maneuvering. The 2026 Winnebago Motorcoach, also known as the Smart Palace on Wheels, is essentially intended to be more than just a car. It is a mobile luxury home made for people who expect the highest level of comfort, elegance, and technological convenience. This means that they can travel across different terrains without ever leaving the conveniences of their own rolling haven.